I remember the moment I first stepped off the plane in subarctic Sweden. It wasn't the cold on my hands or feet, but the strange sting in my nostrils, a cold so clean it felt like stepping into another world. Everything around me was white, not winter white, Christmas card white, pure, untouched and silent, miles of snow with no footprints, no tyre tracks, no sign of modern life. It was the first time I'd ever experienced true wilderness, a place where everything unnecessary just falls away. And then I looked up. That's when I saw the real magic. With no light pollution, the universe felt close enough to touch. Thousands of stars, more than I'd ever seen in my life, cutting through the black with absolute clarity. I'll never forget that moment, and neither will you. Because for 1 week you're going to step out of the noise, out of the chaos, out of the endless responsibilities, and into a world where life is stripped back to what actually matters. During this Arctic experience, you'll get to live life like the old Laplanders, simple, present and grounded, with nothing pulling at you except the cold, the fire and your own thoughts. It takes you right back to the foundations of life. Warmth, food, shelter, movement and connection. No pressure, no pretending, no performance. Just clarity, challenge, brotherhood and confidence. They say growth happens at the intersection of support and challenge. We'll provide the support, warmth, food, safety and guidance, and the Arctic provides the challenge. Honest, clean challenge that builds men. So what do you actually get from this trip? You get memories most men will never touch. I had to join the elite military to experience this environment. But you don't have to. Not everyone has slept in a shelter they've built with their own hands. Not everyone has plunged into a frozen lake or watched the northern lights dance overhead while drinking hot chocolate around a fire they started without a match. And when you do these things, you get something even more important. Pride. Not shallow pride, the deep, quiet pride of doing something real. You cannot go through a week like this and come home the same man. So here's the truth. Next year will look exactly like this one, unless you change something, right? This is your chance, your reset, your moment to step out of the fog and back into yourself. So the only question left is, what are you waiting for?